Hello everyone, I'm Arthur. When most people see a HVAC unit as just a box in the backyard, I see it through the lens of my 3 heat pump factories. Today, we are setting the debate, heat pumps versus air conditioners. Is it just branding, or is there a fundamental engineering shift? Let's dive it from the production line's perspective. At first glance, a conventional air conditioner and a heat pump looks identical. However, the internal architecture tells a different story. A standard AC unit is the one-way street. It only moves heat out of your home. In my factories, the key different channel we store in the heat pump is the reversing valve. This valve allows the unit to switch modes, delivering either cooling or heating depends on your needs. Where a classic AC only houses a compressor to move refrigerant for cooling, a heat pump is a complete climate solution. Beyond the valve, we need to talk about load management. Conventional cubicle units often operate at a single speed, 100% capacity. They kick on, reach the target temperature, like 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and shut off, repeating this efficient cycle constantly. In our modern production lines, we focus on inverter technology. Our units can modulate from 5% to 100% capacity based on the real-time demand. It doesn't just deliver superior comfort, it eliminates the energy spikes of constant on-off cycling, drastically reducing the annual electricity bill. Where we live dictates what you should install. In regions like the Bay Area in the North California, I always recommend heat pumps because they eliminate the need for gas lamps. For modern remodels, heat pumps are becoming the standard for green living. However, if you are in an extreme cold climate zone where temperatures stay below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, traditionally, you pair an AC with a gas furnace. But as a manufacturer, I can tell you that our latest R290 and EVI heat pump technologies are now challenging those outer limits, making all electricals reality even in colder zones. Reliability in the field starts with precision in the factory, and every time we operate 3 visualized facilities in China, providing world-class OEM and ODM services for house heating, fuel heat pumps, and floor cooling systems. Whether you are looking to scale your own brand or need a partner or understand the intersection of energy rebates and high performance engineering, we are here to build that future with you. Thanks for watching. Visit our website or DM me for our latest wholesale catalog. I'll see you at the next factory tour. For Arthur, your best global energy transition partner in China.